said, I've been working in pharmacokinetics for many years in different companies, large and small companies. So I went through many issues during these years. And what we normally do at the start of the course is also to do a round table, so that everyone would tell me exactly what are your expectations for the course. So I will make sure that I will stop and give enough time when we get to the point that which you are more interested in. The other thing that we normally do is to keep the course informal. So anytime there is something that is not clear to you, you just stop and I will go over and over until you get everything understood. Okay? So don't worry about stopping me if something is not clear. Okay? So if you're ready, I think we can start. We have a basic knowledge of pharmacokinetics, which is, I guess, from my side, is the right-hand side of the room. If you look at it, it's the left-hand side. Now you're more into case studies, 1, 2, and 3. You are more into real-life situation in which you would like to understand the relationship or how to develop compounds and what is missing in your drug development program. This course, being for non-specialists, is more focused on the basic concept of pharmacokinetics with few case studies. If you want to have more information on how to develop a compound, and more importantly, what are the existing guidelines relating to pharmacokinetics, toxicology, and drug development, there is another intermediate course, okay, that is also run this year, which is it might be a good idea to follow after you have gained all the basics learned in the non-specialist course, okay? Just for your information. But in any case, if you have questions related to your specific cases, don't hesitate to ask them when we get to the point, and we'll provide you with an answer, if I have an answer. Okay, now, this is the topic that we will be covering during day 1. We will cover the role of pharmacokinetics in drug development and fundamentals of pharmacokinetics. And on day 2, what we mean by pharmacokinetic analysis, the relationship between pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, some of the drug-drug interactions, what we mean by preclinical pharmacokinetics, what are the regulatory guidelines involving in pharmacokinetics. We will briefly touch on reporting, and also on population PK and the difference between small and biological molecules as far as pharmacokinetics are concerned. So we can start with the role of pharmacokinetics in drug development.